The SKIL MS6305-00 dual bevel sliding compound miter saw boasts a powerful 15-amp motor, providing a rapid 4,800 RPM for detailed and efficient cuts. Its dual bevel feature enables cuts in 4 positive stop positions at 48 degrees and 45 degrees left, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees right. The LED shadow line adds precision, outshining traditional lasers, and the 2x12 cutting capacity makes it versatile for various projects. The horizontal grip handle with a center-located safety trigger allows for comfortable use, accommodating both left and right-handed users. The stainless steel miter plate offers 9/10 and 11 miter locations, facilitating 50-degree cuts left or right with 11 positive stop positions at commonly used angles. The cam miter lock knob ensures repeatable accuracy, durability, and easy adjustments. The tool's lightweight design, built-in carrying handle, and quick work clamp enhance convenience and portability. However, some users encountered challenges during blade replacement, with the guarding obstructing access and a tightly secured arbor bolt requiring additional effort to loosen. The overall feedback on the SKIL MS6305-00 is positive, emphasizing its accuracy out of the box and suitability for weekend users. Some users note that it can be a bit noisy and caution about the blade bolt cover screw potentially obstructing movement during blade changes. Additionally, there's a mention of challenges when making compound miter cuts on the right side due to the motor partially blocking the cut, which may be a drawback for certain applications. In conclusion, the SKIL MS6305-00 dual bevel sliding compound miter saw appears to be a reliable and accurate tool for various cutting tasks. While it has received praise for its design and performance, potential buyers should be aware of specific issues like the obstructed right side miter cuts, which might impact its suitability for certain projects.